Hi guys, welcome to Maneuver Testnet 2021 video. So in this video, I'll talk about everything which you people want to know, like eligibility criteria, paper pattern, selection process, dates, and what will be the cutoff. So last year there were some changes in your Testnet exam, so I'll be discussing that part also. So do watch this video till last guys to know everything about the Testnet and the major changes. Alright, so before that we have launched Testnet 2020 online preparation batch guys for all the aspirants, those who are targeting for the TISS. So this batch is starting from May itself. If you have not registered, do register for this batch guys the day you are watching this video. So this will be proper online class where you will be connecting live with us from your home itself. So those who want to join this batch, kindly contact to this number and you can enroll yourself for this batch. Okay, moving forward, important dates. So application will be starting from October onwards guys, and obviously I'll be making video once the form will out, so don't worry about it. Your exam will be in the month of January first week, and after then you will be getting your result, which is nothing but in the month of Feb. So this is what the tentative dates about your TISS 2021. Next is the eligibility criteria. Education wise, candidates should be graduated from a university recognized by a University Grants Commission, UGC of India basically. So you should be graduated from recognized university guys. Second is what, candidate those who are in final year of graduation can also apply. So if you are in your final year of your graduation, then also you can appear for this exam, provided you have to submit your certificates during the admission guys, probably which happened in the month of June. But due to some reason, if you fail to submit in June, then also they will take your admission on provisional basis, but by September you have to submit your documents guys, otherwise they will cancel your admission. Second is what, about age. So there is no any age bar first of all to write TISS exam guys. Okay, next is selection process. Very important guys. So in selection process they have made major changes last year guys. So all the students, those who are planning to go for the courses like HRM and ODCL, they have to write Testnet, and there is a one more exam they have introduced, which is nothing but the TISMAT exam, which is nothing but Tata Institute of Social Science Management Aptitude Test. So those who are only applying for these two courses, they have to write Testnet and TISMAT both the exam. So for them, Testnet will be qualifying. After then TISMAT consider 30% weightage, and your PIT 40% weightage, and your personal interview 30% weightage. This is what the selection process guys for the courses HRM and ODCL. And those who are applying other than these courses like public health, rural development, hospitality, social work, development study, etc., all these courses, they just have to write Testnet exam guys, that's it. But again, for them Testnet will be qualifying, PIT will be 70% weightage, and your personal interview will be 30% weightage. And also those who are writing the Testnet exam, there is a sectional cutoff guys, which is nothing but the GK cutoff. About this I'll talk further, but this is what the selection process guys, you should be very well aware of this. So once again, those who are going for the HRM and ODCL, they have to write Testnet and TISMAT both the exam, and those who are going other courses apart from the HRM and ODCL, they have to write only Testnet exam, that's it. Now let me talk about the Testnet. So this paper pattern remain the same. Test duration is nothing but 2 PM to 3:40 PM. It is 100 minutes test basically, and there are 3 sections: English 30 questions for 30 marks, mathematics and logic 30 questions for 30 marks, general awareness 40 questions for 40 marks. So last year they had asked very rare question from your logical reasoning, and also they had clubbed this logical reasoning in your English section. It was not asked in your math section guys. So this is what the another changes, and also there will be 35% cutoff, sectional cutoff, which is nothing but the 14 marks in your GK section. So if you score good marks in your Testnet exam, but if you fail to score 14 marks, which is nothing but the 35% of that particular section, which is nothing but GK section, then you will be disqualified guys. Okay, so now there is a sectional cutoff for general awareness is applied for qualifying the Testnet examination. Candidate not scoring minimum marks for general awareness will not be qualified for the Testnet exam and for the PIT-PI process. So another change, there is a sectional cutoff they have made guys, and behavior of asking the question from particular section. Okay, further there is a category wise cutoff also. Let me talk about the GK. So if you fall in general category and all these category, then 35%, as I said, 14 marks. But if you fall in PWD and OBC NC, then 30% cutoff, 12 marks. And if you fall in the SC/ST category, then there will be no sectional cutoff. So whichever category you fall in guys, accordingly you have to take care of. Next is what, TISMAT exam, which is for the HRM and ODCL student only. As they have mentioned, TISMAT administered to candidates applying for MA Human Resource Management and Labor Studies and MA Organization Development, Change and Leadership. So this is nothing but 30 minutes test, 3 section: comprehension 15 questions for 15 marks, management data interpretation 15 questions for 15 marks, Business awareness, 15 questions for 15 marks. So overall 45 questions for 45 marks. And very very important guys, there is negative marking, which is nothing but the 1/4, which is nothing but 0.25. So as I said, in the selection process, TISNET and TISMAT, both the exam you have to write, those who are going for the HRM and ODCL program. But if you are not going for any of these two programs, then you have to write only TISNET exam guys, and after then PIT PI. So guys, whichever campus you are dreaming for, obviously everyone dream for the Mumbai campus, but very few end up with because of the lack of preparation. So whichever campus you are targeting, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Guwahati or Tuljapur, take the printout of the TISS campus guys and stick on the wall where you study and what marks is required for that particular course in that particular campus. So stick your goal guys in front of your study table. So this will give you the motivation and give you the reminder also about your goal. Now let me take you through the official website of Maneuver and tell you how can you join our online program. So you just have to open Google and type MANOEUVRE maneuveredu.com. This is what the website is, and just scroll down and home page. Okay, just open this home page. This is what the website will open. Just go to the buy online and MBA entrance. Okay, and just scroll down here and go to the full course program. So once you go to the show packages, scroll down guys, and in the last you can see this one, TISNET 2021 full course with live session online classes. This is what the program you have to join. So from here you have to do add to cart, fill your details and complete the payment part. After then you will get a call back from online team and they will guide you the further process. So guys, as lockdown is going on due to the COVID-19 and we don't know when the lockdown get finished, so don't wait to finish the lockdown, start your preparation, because this is for sure that 2021 January TISNET exam will surely be happen. So make sure you should prepare well for this exam so that you can achieve your goal, which is nothing but the TISS. Alright, so batches are starting from May guys, and you can contact to this number. Link also I have given in the description. Kindly check the description. For any query and assistance, please post in the comment box. I'll be happy to reply you. All the very best for the preparation guys, and see you in the live session. Thank you.